What are the risks of representing yourself in divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Many people consider representing themselves in a divorce to save money, especially if they think the case is simple. While that might work for some, doing it on your own comes with real risks, especially if you're unfamiliar with the legal process. Let's go over what you need to know. The biggest risk is making paperwork mistakes. Divorce forms must be filled out correctly and completely, or the court may reject your case. We see this happen all the time. People submit incomplete financial disclosures, use outdated forms, or leave out important legal language. Each mistake causes delays and may even force you to start over. Another risk is agreeing to an unfair settlement without realizing it. Without proper guidance, you might give up your rights to property, spousal support, or retirement benefits simply because you didn't know what you were entitled to. Once the divorce is finalized, it's very difficult to undo those decisions. If you have children, self-representation can also lead to confusing or incomplete custody orders. This can cause problems later when disagreements arise and the original paperwork isn't clear enough to enforce. We've helped many people who tried to do it themselves, only to come to us later after multiple rejections or months of delays. In one case, a client's judgment was rejected 3 times before they decided to get help, and we had it approved in a matter of days. At Divorce661, we help you avoid these risks with flat-fee divorce services that are accurate, affordable, and court-approved. If you want to save time and avoid costly mistakes, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you get it done right the first time, without the stress.